Hey guys, I'm back again. As promised, a video of my truck. I'll start off. The truck is a 1989 GMC Jimmy 4x4 with the 4.3 liter V6. And as promised, the upgrades that I've been doing. At the moment, I'm just starting with upgrades I will be putting on. I have 15-inch Sonoma mags, or what some people call mags. And there's something I need from you guys. I want to paint them because they sort of have to be done. I have to choose, do I want to do black, silver, or chrome paint? So you guys send me your comments and I'll choose the best one. The other thing is I have 3-inch Bushwhacker fender flares that I have to install because these mags sit out farther. And also a set of side rails. They're side steps for my truck, but because I have to get pieces fabricated for them, because when I do go install the fenders, normally they install right onto a fender here with a plate, and then it goes across with the piece. But because I'll be cutting out a good chunk of the fender, because the fender flares actually come out to about here, I'm going to actually have to cut out a chunk of the fender, so I won't be able to mount them there. So what I'm going to do is, the actual frame has holes in it. I found one in the back and one in the front that I'm going to be using. What I'm going to do is design the plate that I need and design the parts that I need and then fabricate them at a friend's shop. The other parts I have to show you guys is the sound system in my truck. I'll start with what's up there. I have one urban amplifier, 600 watts and 4 channels. The second one is a mono amplifier. That's 600 watts also. It's made by Infinity. The power is all supplied by a 4-port distribution block. They go from the main battery cables, they are fused from the battery to here. They split from the 4-gauge wire to 4-port 8-gauge wires. And each of them goes to either the amps or to an inverter. I installed the inverter a little while ago so that if I ever go to do something somewhere else, I need to power up something, it's right there. And then mono amp powers these. I have a set of Legacy 12-inch woofers. They're apparently 700 watts. There you go. Back of my truck's a bit messy because I had to pull the power steering pump out, which meant pulling out everything that's in the front. The truck, since I'm here, has 252,000 kilometers on it. And some things I've installed, I have a Sirius satellite radio, a computer that tells me the engine RPM, injection pressure, temperature, battery voltage, other things like that. Right above it, I did an 8-switch power control center that switches for my amplifiers, my computer, and my wipers because of some weird wiring glitch. Then, besides that, it's stock. Then we have what I've been doing up front. Did this a few weeks ago. I painted the grille black because originally it was silver, but the silver was starting to peel off and paint. So I just decided to rip it off, sand it, paint it, and blacked it out because that's the new look for trucks. Besides that, I'll give you some more information later on when I start doing the work on the fender flares and when I get the bodies mounted. I'll give you a little hint now. So far it looks like I've put the flares up against it, measure out about 2 inches out from here and cut a straight line straight up to the top of fenders. And here, like on all cars, it's bubbling up and rusting. So I have to take the grinder, clean all that. Besides that, it's clean. It's a great truck. Anyways guys, I'll give you more information later on. Have fun.